Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I talk about personal finance. Today, I'm going to talk about 8 money rules to create wealth. Wealth creation isn't just about earning a high income. It's about managing your finances effectively to build assets and secure your financial future. Whether you are starting on your wealth building journey or looking to refine your financial strategy, adhering to certain money rules can pave the way for long term prosperity. In this video, I will go over 8 essential money rules to create wealth. Let's get into the video. The first money rule to create wealth is live below your means. The foundation of wealth creation is spending less than you earn. Living below your means allows you to save and invest the difference, setting the stage for financial growth. It requires discipline and conscious decision making regarding your expenses, avoiding lifestyle inflation that often accompanies pay raises or windfalls. Instead, aim to maintain or even reduce your standard of living while increasing your savings rate. The second money rule to create wealth is pay yourself first. Make savings a priority by adopting the pay yourself first principle, allocating a portion of your income to savings or investments before addressing other expenses. Automate this process by setting up automatic transfers from your paycheck to your savings or investment accounts. By prioritizing saving, you ensure that your financial goals are funded consistently, regardless of other spending commitments. The third money rule to create wealth is create a budget and track your spending. I always talk about creating a budget, adopting a budget, and also following a budget a lot on this channel. So, this is really no surprise. A budget is a powerful tool for managing your finances effectively. It provides a clear overview of your income and expenses, helping you identify areas where you can cut back or optimize. Track your spending meticulously to ensure that you stay within budgetary limits. Use budgeting apps or spreadsheets to monitor your cash flow and make adjustments as needed. Regularly reviewing your budget empowers you to make informed financial decisions and stay on track towards your wealth building goals. The fourth money rule is invest wisely. Investing is crucial for wealth creation as it allows your money to grow over time. Develop a well rounded investment strategy based on your financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. Diversify your investments across different asset classes such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and mutual funds to mitigate risk. Consider seeking professional advice or conducting thorough research before making investment decisions. Stay informed about market trends and economic developments to adapt your investment strategy accordingly. The fifth money rule is avoid debt trap. While some forms of debt, such as mortgages or student loans, may be unavoidable, excess debt can hinder your financial progress. Avoid high interest debt, such as credit card debt, whenever possible. If you have existing debt, focus on paying it off aggressively by prioritizing high interest balance first. Adopt a debt repayment strategy such as the debt snowball or debt avalanche method to systematically eliminate debt. Once you have become debt free, redirect the money you were paying towards debt into savings or investments. The sixth money rule is build multiple income streams. Relying solely on a single source of income leaves you vulnerable to financial instability. Diversify your income streams to create additional sources of revenue. Explore opportunities for passive income, such as rental properties, dividends from investments, or royalties from intellectual property. Consider starting a side hustle or freelancing in your spare time to generate extra income. Building multiple income streams not only increases your earning potential, but also provides a safety net in case one source of income diminishes. The next one is continuously educate yourself. Financial literacy is key to making informed decisions about your money. Take the time to educate yourself about personal finance principles, investment strategies, and wealth building techniques. Read books, attend seminars, or enroll in online courses to expand your knowledge. Stay abreast of changes in tax laws, financial regulations, and economic trends that may impact your finances. By constantly learning and evolving, you will be better equipped to navigate the complexities of financial world and optimize your wealth building efforts. The eighth money rule to create wealth is stay disciplined and patient. Wealth creation is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires discipline, patience, and perseverance to achieve long term financial success. Stay focused on your goals and avoid succumbing to short term impulses or market fluctuations. Maintain a long term perspective when investing. Allow your assets to compound over time. Be prepared to weather inevitable setbacks or economic downturns with resilience and adaptability. By staying disciplined and patient, you will steadily progress towards your wealth building objectives. In conclusion, I would say creating wealth is a journey that requires diligence, foresight, and strategic planning. By adhering to these eight money rules, you can lay a solid foundation for financial success and build lasting wealth. Remember to live below your means, prioritize saving, budget effectively, invest wisely, avoid debt, Diversify your income streams, educate yourself constantly, and stay disciplined and patient along the way. With commitment and perseverance, you can achieve your financial goals and secure a prosperous future for yourself and your loved ones. Thanks for watching this video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.